while EFF eating, we must get rid of our borders. These borders are a result of colonization. Yesterday, May 27 May 2026, the Border Management Authority intercepted a truck traveling from Malawi carrying 1 billion rands worth of drugs. So the truck there was intercepted at Bait Bridge port of entry. So i-BMA flagged the truck there ukuthi ayize ngapha and it passed through ama-scanners. Upon passing through ama-scanners, it revealed a hidden component. So what maybe search the hidden component, they found 713 kgs worth of methacholine, yabo, the main ingredient used to manufacture Imandrex. So the drugs or the methacholine was valued at 998,200,000 rands, approximately 1 billion rands. So the truck there traveled from Malawi, it passed Zimbabwe. It was never flagged, it was never stopped, it was never even suspected. Yabo, only stopped mayfika la South Africa. And the Minister of Home Affairs athi this is the biggest drug bust of the decade. So thanks to border management and abantu who were pushing for border management ukuthi ibe khona. So if labantu laba are cocky enough to bring drugs worth 1 billion rands, think about how many drugs are already circulating kuyo the country there. And the donke le mali is untaxed, bafit, not taxed at all. So 100% profit. So 3 of these Malawian citizens have been apprehended and arrested at Musina police station and bazoba investigated. So what do you think about our borders? Do you believe with our borders mele abe tighter to ensure ukuthi izinto ezikanje asayenzeki? Or do you believe ukuthi, do you align nama thinkings of abo Ronald Damula ukuthi we must integrate namanye ama-countries, we must make our borders less tight, yabo, khona abanye abantu bazokwazi ukufika la nathi sokwazi ukumove to other countries, khona sobakwazi ukuba integrated as ama-Africans.